everybody? My name is Parker Ament.
My name's Danny Ferrari.
And we are Excellent Sound. And it is officially Cartel season, boys and girls.
Cartel!
Let's fucking get it, baby.
Volume 3, dude.
Volume 3, dude. It's a magical number, dude. Threes.
Threes
you know
are
what
great.
I'm saying?
John Lennon.
Threes everywhere.
Nikola Tesla was obsessed with threes.
Once you hear threes, dude, you fucking see that shit everywhere,
do the Cartel 3
dude.
handshake.
3, dude.
Oh!
Boom, boom, 3.
Do the secret Cartel handshake. See that? Okay, do that with your bro.
It is Cartel 3 season, you guys. We have the pre-sale link in the description. If you guys want to get all of the crazy bonuses that we are going to be doing, you have to sign up on the pre-sale list. Now, there is only going to be 1,325 pre-sale licenses for Cartel 3. And the bonus content that you're going to be getting, an extra 75 serum presets.
It's going to be a total of 225 serum presets. Our biggest serum pack to date. Like fucking 12 inches.
Yeah, and you're going to be getting the Signature Series sample folder. You guys are also going to be getting 3 full Ableton project files.
2 are going to be special remakes that we're doing. One we already announced in our last video, which you can see right here. Boop.
Boom.
Yeah, so we're gonna have 2 remakes, and then we're gonna have 1 of the actual demo project, which we're gonna be, hopefully you guys will be able to hear that very, very soon. But it'll be an original, excellent release, as always. We always put out the song, made exclusively with Cartel Volume 3.
And the final bonus is, if you guys are in the 1,325 first purchases, you guys will be entered into a drawing to win a full studio setup.
Grand prize, baby.
Grand prize, baby.
Right here,
Let's
look at
fucking
it.
Go. Look at that shit. Boom.
Woo, full studio.
You guys get some dope speakers, everything that you guys need for an amazing home studio setup.
You also get the entire Excellent collection.
Yes.
Well, on top of that.
That is a huge, huge thing.
And of course, second place is going to win a Maschine Micro MIDI controller, which we thought was pretty cool. We wanted to do something a little bit different for second place. Cue the fucking Lord of the Rings music right now, okay? So you got Cartel Volume 1 and Cartel Volume 2. That's like Gandalf the Grey, right? He all of a sudden goes in, he's fucking having sex with hobbits everywhere, right? All of a sudden he's fighting a dragon and then he fucking dies, right? Okay, and then what happens in the second one? Well, technically the third one, right? He comes back as Gandalf the White. You ready for this shit? Gandalf the White.
Cartel the White, baby.
Cartel the White.
It's officially Cartel season. It is super clean, but also dirty on the inside.
Woo, dirty on the
what
inside, baby. We have some special stuff for those of you that have purchased Cartel Volume 1 and Cartel Volume 2, so make sure you check your email if you have purchased those, because we got some extra special stuff for you guys. So yeah, tons of bonuses, samples, presets, project files, our biggest Cartel to date, our biggest sample pack to date, our biggest preset pack to date.
Yep.
Let's fucking go, dude.
So stop waiting around, get on that pre-sale list, and let's jump into this fucking drop right here.
Dude, it's trap season.
It is trap season, dude.
It's back. No, do the Cartel.
Oh yeah, here. Just like that,
That's how you do it.
We are doing Kumarion's Want It today. This song is super sick. Kumarion is really on the come up. This song has like a couple mil on Spotify. Super sick. We're gonna be going over this lead. Super sick sound. It's actually more simple than you guys think. If you guys like the sounds and all the presets in this project file and you guys want it, you can actually get this lead down below for free.
I see what you did. You said want it. I like that.
Yeah, dude.
I like what you did there.
If you want it. Yeah, let's jump right in. So we got initiated serum right here. We are going to start with a sine wave, and let's hear that.
Beautiful.
Now the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down 2 octaves on oscillator A.
Got that low sub.
Yes, low sub. And the main part of this whole sound is going to be coming from the filter over here. Now we're going to be throwing a ring mod on the sine wave. Now ring mods are super sick. It's kind of like a form of like frequency modulation, kind of like FMing, but it's a little bit more to the pitch. You know what I'm saying?
It's almost like a sync too, kind of in a way, because it is like pitching it up like when you move the cutoff.
Yeah, and I looked up why it's called a ring mod, and it's because when they were making the analog synths, the actual diode looked like a ring. It was like in a little circle. So that's pretty sick.
Little cock ring?
Yeah, a little cock ring, dude. And then I guess this looks like a little circle. Maybe they just did that for the animation, but
those look like tits to me, but or like, ghastly sunglasses.
I know what's on your mind, bro. I see
said
it.
cock ring, tits, and ghastly.
And ghastly.
So fucking hot. That dude is beautiful.
He is a very sexy man.
He's a very sexy man.
Pull the ring mod up, and we're going to put the cutoff to 321 hertz, and we're going to put the resonance at 10%. Pan, we're going to leave it right in the center. Nothing on the drive, nothing on the fill volume, and mix all the way up. And now let's hear that.
dial tone.
Yeah, it's like a dial tone. So the strategy behind this is if you move the cutoff around,
that's like the pitch, yeah.
It's the pitch. So let's put that back to 321. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna make a macro to kind of control the pitch of this cutoff right here. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're just gonna wanna drag macro 1, and we're gonna move it back to about 6. Okay? And then now we have full control over the tune.
So you can change it, easily automate it for different parts of the drop, which is, I think, what happens in the second part.
Exactly. So yeah, so he does the high part first, and then he goes to the low, and all you have to do is automate the macro.
Dude, shout out us for doing a lot more macros in our videos, dude.
Dude, we're fucking
We're getting better at sound design, dude.
Call me fucking Mac, bro, with the dude. Mac, let's fucking go. So that's really it to the sound. Now, we always go in super hard. We make racks. We fucking want it. Look at that. We want all the fucking racks, so let's go into the post-processing, you guys.
If you guys want to get this project file and many, many more like this, you can get all the drums, you can get all the presets, everything that we made. Make sure you guys go check out our Patreon. The link is in the description down below. If you guys go and you click that link, you can see we have tons of different tiers, from feedback to our legacy YouTube tier to our VIP tier. You guys check that out, pick which one works for you. And if you want to get this project file, you want to join the legacy tier, you can open that up and you'll see we have tons of project files for you guys all to download with all the sounds and presets in there. And of course our VIP tier, which also includes the project files and exclusive presets and samples for you guys. So check that out and support us on Patreon if you can. We really, really appreciate all our supporters. Thank you.
All right, so first up in this Want It rack, we got a multi-band compressor. We're not using OTT on this one. It's very similar, but it's a little less, but it's also a lot more powerful too. So check this out. We're pulling up the mids a little bit, we're pulling up the highs, and it's giving it a nice, more round tone, okay? Now next, we have an erosion. We want to add that nice sizzle on top.
Woo! I love erosion.
That's another trap essentials we need. We need a fucking overdrive distorted sub. That's got to be in your toolbox as well. So we were messing with the AC hum on here, but it was just like not enough, and the sound of erosion is like perfect for these kind of leads. We have a erosion right here first, and then we have another erosion.
Another one.
Really, really getting that really nice sizzly distortion on the top end. Okay, and then next we have a saturator. And we put soft clip on, and it's at 4.5 dB on the drive. I really like using the saturator with soft clip. I know we were kind of going back and forth. I mean, it's for different situations. When you put the soft clip on, you're really pushing the drive into the limiter.
Yeah.
And it really fattens the sound. But yeah, so that's about it. And then next, we got an EQ. And we're just cutting the lows, and we are bringing up those high mids right over there. And then to cap it off, we have our trusty utility over here, making it slightly more mono. Let me just show you guys. This is how subtle it is.
Yeah, you can hear it.
It really cleans it up too, because when you put all these erosions on, it's kind of like you're getting distortion on the sides. So it's really, really nice to dial in your stereo field with the utilities.
But it's kind of funny that like a lot of like trap drops are just like the 808 itself with like some like white noise on top. It's
yeah.
Like, it's like pretty much like that's the drop sometimes. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like with some filler sound. There's a lot of cool filler sounds in here too, which will be really cool for the people that get the Patreon and get Cartel Volume 3, because these sounds will be in there as well.
Yeah, there's going to be a ton of sounds kind of like this, and it's an unbelievable pack, you guys.
Cannot wait.
We both used it. We sent it out to some select people, and they love it. They sent us back some tracks. We were just like, what the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me, dude?
Yeah.
So really, really excited about this pack. So the last thing before we go, because this is going to be kind of like a quick video, if you guys want some kind of creative inspiration, you know, you just throw a fucking ring on it, dude.
Throw a ring on it,
You know what I'm saying?
Put a ring on it.
Put a ring on it, dude. Exactly.
There better be a gif of her fucking dancing over here.
Oh, dude, there's going to be fucking gifs. So
everywhere.
If you don't know where it is, that you can pull up a frequency shifter, or they got this really nice ring mod over here.
So you could essentially do this with just a sine wave and then use frequency shifters ring preset.
You can, but you can't dial it in as good as what you did in Serum. But the frequency shifter is such a powerful tool that like we always forget about that. So check this out. We got this wub right here. So a little bit extra spice on there is just a little ring mod. Didn't even move any knobs, okay? This is all the way. And you can actually dial in the frequency a little bit more. get some really wonky sounds. And then also the LFO if you want to, you know, go trending on TikTok, go viral. And then you could also, you know, you could put this on really anything, dude.
Like a ring mod adds like a characteristic to the sound itself.
Yeah, dude. This is
nice.
how you go viral on TikTok.
Why would that make you go viral on TikTok?
Bro, if you were a TikToker, you would know what I'm talking. You have no idea what I'm talking about.
Charlie D.
Shout out all the TikTokers who know what the fuck I'm talking about.
I'm Charlie D. Michelangelo.
Dude, there's a filter that is a straight ring mod on TikTok where they just put it on, they just start telling a story. Fucking get out of here, Danny.
I know that.
Get back on TikTok,
I only
dude.
like the good videos.
That's the fucking OG TikTokers, right?
I know about TikTok.
Okay? That's how you fucking go viral on TikTok, all right? So if you guys are lacking inspiration, go throw a ring on it, dude.
Throw a ring
Put a
on it.
fucking ring on it. Get your drums, put a ring on it, dude.
That's right.
All right? Get your sub, put a fucking ring on it, dude. All right? Hopefully you guys learned something from this video. If you guys want, grab this sound from the free download description below.
And the rack.
And drop a saturated sub, give us some love, and tell us what your favorite part of the video is.
Comment for your chance to win a pack of your choosing. Don't forget that also, of course, Cartel Volume 3, Volume 17.
August 18th, 2021. Let's fucking get it.